Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to shoot in RAW on Sony A6400. Let's begin. It's very simple. All you need to do is enter menu and then go to the very first page of the menu settings. It's the quality/image size 1. And right at the very top we have file format. Currently it is set to JPEG. All we need to do is click on it and you can switch to RAW and JPEG, so you will have like two versions of our photos, one in the RAW format and one in JPEG, or you can switch entirely to RAW. So I will do that, and now we can leave the menu, and now we can just do our video or our recording, or I'm sorry, the photo. I will now simply hit shoot, and now we have successfully made a nice photo in the format of RAW. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.